The rising XinQuanLi laser. Foshan XinQuanLi Laser Equipment Company Limited is located in Shuande High-Tech Industrial Development Zone of Foshan, Guangdong Province. And currently, it has developed into high-tech enterprise that integrated laser cutting, welding, the R&D, production and sales of engraving marks as one. With sub-brands including super speed welding, fine welding, XinQuanLi Laser enjoys sound reputation in the field. Under the leadership of professional R&D team, XinQuanLi is rising up rapidly in the fields of high-end logo, industrial metal plate, industrial mold, and industrial hardware. To achieve the corporate vision of being established in advertisement and striving to become the pacemaker of the industry, XinQuanLi has been carrying out the strict manufacturing and inspection standard. The company has passed through the EU CE product certification, and positions of IQC and OQC have been set up in the factory so that it will be strictly controlled of the supplier material inspection and delivery inspection to guarantee every single machine be qualified strictly in line the inspection standards. The arts of cutting. Cutting is an art, but more a responsibility. XinQuanLi has introduced large milling machine, grinder, laser infrared calibrator, aging tester, and other advanced domestic manufactured production and inspection equipment, so as to make sure every single machine delivered to the customers being in line with national standards. In the meanwhile, XinQuanLi will number the core component of every single equipment. Operators, checker, packaging, and logistics are all incorporated into the software management system to achieve process management and make a good job of every single service during pre-sales, in-sale, and after-sales. Customer interview.
大家好，我是东莞市智联五金制品有限公司彭国勇。我公司主要经营五金标示类产品。钣金切割，我选择XinQuanLi光纤机，我相信XinQuanLi。
大家好，我是陈瑞广告陈伦珠，我公司的主营业务是 LED 发光制、钣金金属切割，我选择XinQuanLi光纤切割机，我相信XinQuanLi，耶！
大家好，我是广东奥飞扬实业有限公司的武松，我公司主要从事室内导向标识系统。在全国有10几家连锁工厂，金属切割我选择XinQuanLi激光，我相信XinQuanLi。
XinQuanLi has set up sales service outlets in 25 provinces and municipalities, depending on advanced R&D technical advantages, and fully realized getting close to the users to extend service. Meanwhile, its products have been exported as far as the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe, and America, winning the favor of the international customers. In the future, XinQuanLi will continue to customize fiber cleaver for the advertisers to make cutting become an art. XinQuanLi numerical control go alongside with the world.